You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two names of molecules forming a medication and the brand name that is associated with it. Buprenorphine, some may say buprenorphine, generally. Buprenorphine Naloxone, that's pretty straightforward. Naloxone. The brand name is Suboxone. Some may say Suboxone, especially in the US, generally Suboxone. So, Buprenorphine Naloxone or Suboxone, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.